The school reopened and classes began. Harish proudly carried his new books to school. And the school reopened and Harish was very happy because he has all new books and notebooks. But just 2 months into the school term, all the books were looking different. After 2 months, his books were looking different. The English notebook had no cover, mathematics notebook had many pages missing, and the Hindi textbook was torn. Means he did not take care of his books and notebooks properly. Harish's mother got angry seeing the pathetic shape of his books. Harish's mother got angry because his all books and notebooks are in poor condition. She decided to teach him a lesson. She went to see Harish's English teacher, Mrs. Jaya, and they thought of a plan. मीन्स हरीश को सबक सिखाने के लिए उसकी मदर और उसकी टीचर ने एक प्लान बनाया. ऑन मंडे मॉर्निंग हरीश वॉज गेटिंग रेडी फॉर स्कूल. मदर, डिड यू सी माई इंग्लिश नोटबुक? आई हैव अ टेस्ट टूडे. मंडे मॉर्निंग हरीश की इंग्लिश की नोटबुक मिसप्लेस हो गई and he asked from his mother that, Mother, did you see my English notebook? I have a test today. No, Harish, I am sure it is somewhere there. You have checked inside your bag and the shelf. His mother replied, he did not see his notebook. Check your bag properly and check the shelf of books. Oh mom, I can't find it anywhere. Mrs. Jaya is going to scold me today. और हरीश को ये डर था कि उसकी टीचर नोटबुक ना होने की वजह से उसको डांटेगी. Well, it's time to leave. Your bus is here already. I'm also getting late for office, said mother, smiling to herself. She knew Mrs. Jaya would take care of the rest. His mother smiled because she already knew the plan. She only made this plan to teach the lesson to Harish because he did not take care of his books and notebooks. Later in the class, Mrs. Jaya asked the pupils, here pupils means students, to take out their English notebooks. Mrs. Jaya said to the students to take out your English notebooks. She handed out the question paper and ordered them to answer the questions. She distributed the question paper and ordered them to answer these questions. While the other children were busy preparing to write, other children were busy in writing, Harish sat staring ahead with tear in his eyes. Staring means fixed look. All the students were writing and Harish was crying because he had not his English notebook. Harish, where is your notebook? Why are not you writing the answers? And teacher asked from him that, where is your notebook? Ma'am, I have lost my notebook. Oh really? I am not surprised. In fact, last night I had a dream. Teacher said she is not surprised because last night teacher ने एक dream देखा था. She said, in my dream, many books were shouting and complaining about the cruel little children who hurt them. टीचर ने ड्रीम में देखा कि बहुत सारी बुक्स जो कि शाउट कर रही थी, कंप्लेन कर रही थी कि लिटिल क्रूअल चिल्ड्रन उनको हर्ट करते हैं. एंड दे हैव डिसाइडेड टू हाइड देमसेल्फ फ्रॉम द लिटिल विलन्स. विलन्स मीन्स हु परफॉर्म बैड एक्शन. और बुक्स ने अपने आप को हाइड कर लिया है लिटिल विलन से बचने के लिए. आई थिंक माई ड्रीम इज़ कमिंग ट्रू. हरीश, हाउ वुड यू लाइक इट इफ समवन पुल्ड योर नोज, हैंड, ईयर और लेग्स? वुडंट इट हर्ट? योर बुक्स फील द सेम व्हेन यू टीयर देम. अगेन टीचर आस्क्ड फ्रॉम हरीश, हाउ यू फील इफ समवन हर्ट यू? The teacher said, students, if someone pulled your nose, hand, ear or legs, अगर आपका हैंड, नोज़, ईयर और लेग कोई पुल करे तो आपको हर्ट होता है. सेम एज बुक्स को भी हर्ट होता है. अगर आप बुक्स को बैडली ट्रीट करोगे तो उनको भी हर्ट होगा. हरीश, thought for a few moments. His mother, father, and grandparents were always angry with him for this single bad habit of his. He said, crying, "Ma'am, please give me one last chance. I promise I will be careful with my books." हरीश ने सोचा उसकी वन बैड हैबिट के लिए उसके पेरेंट्स उससे एंग्री रहते हैं. एंड ही सेड, "मैम प्लीज़ गिव मी लास्ट चांस एंड आई विल टेक केयर ऑफ माई बुक्स प्रॉपरली." Mrs. Jaya said, "Go home and check your bookshelf. I am sure your notebook would have come back there." Teacher said, "If you realize that you will take care of your books properly, go and check your notebook would have come back there. Take today's test in your rough notebook. Remember, don't ever tear pages from your books or keep them dirty." Harish had learned a lesson. His teacher said, "Don't tear the pages of your books and notebooks and keep them neat and clean." Harish had learned a lesson. Harish was surprised when he reached home. The English notebook was right there on the shelf. How did he miss it in the morning? Had Mrs. Jaya's dream come true? हरीश अपनी नोटबुक शेल्फ के ऊपर देख के सरप्राइज हो गया. And he asked the question from himself, how he missed it in the morning, कि उसने मॉर्निंग में इसको कैसे मिस कर लिया. Had Mrs. Jaya's dream come true? Mrs. Jaya का ड्रीम कहीं सच तो नहीं. So students, what lesson you learned from this story? You should also take care of your books and notebooks properly. Okay? This video is all about the lesson 2, the magical book. Thank you for watching the video.